Divide 990 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 9 and it is 49. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 0 and it is 40. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 990 divided by 5 is 198. So this much for today and thanks for watching.